Hey guys, it's Jimmy Lane here at WideOpenNation. I just want to introduce myself and show you guys around my garage and all the toys I get to play with every day. So I'll start off here, I guess, with the old unicorns. So this is here. Actually, both of these are no longer mine. I posted them for one afternoon, and a guy from Quebec gave me an offer I can't say no to. So he's coming to come get these here shortly. But an 86 Tri-Z Yamaha 250. Crazy nice condition. Stickers on the tank still and not peeling, nothing, great condition. Don't find them like this anymore. And then here's my 84 200X Honda. This has been redone, as you can probably tell. The guy that redid this tried to use everything that was here and just repower coated or whatever, but a few of these parts are pulled from other trikes. But still, for an 84, looks very good. Guys, we'll show you the snowmobiles. This is my 2013 Skidoo Freeride. It's the 800. Awesome sled. And then this is the wife's sled, 600 Ace. Also got it just for friends and family when they come visit me up here. Something always fun to ride with someone else other than yourself. But yeah, I guess I'll go over to my side-by-side. Here's my 2017 Can-Am Maverick. It's the 1000R Turbo. A little bit dirty right now, but usually I like to keep my stuff clean, wash it after every ride, but I'm probably going to be taking this out again today, so I said fuck it. Here's my 01 Yamaha Banshee. Again, another very clean toy for the age. New front end on it. Swing arm, you know, the handlebars, rear plastics are new, seat cover. Engine only has about 10 hours on it, but I didn't bore it out or anything. It's a Banshee, it's got plenty of power. And then over here, actually yesterday I just moved the sleds up front. They were here for the summer, so I'm moving all the summer stuff into the winter stuff. 2010 RMZ 450. And then my 07 RM250. A little bit of both worlds, 4-stroke, 2-stroke. Can't really take the 2-stroke out of me, so. And then 2019 KLX 110. Of course, you gotta rep the dirt bike kids on a 110. Rocking the Huff and Puff right now. Gonna try to get you a better view of this 250. Like I said, I had it redone a few months ago. All black frame, engine was redone, suspension was done a little bit, you know, weighing on plastics and graphics actually for both bikes. I'm going to black out the 250 and I'm going to white out this 450. Also thinking of possibly getting a timber kit for this, so actually go and drop a follow or a comment, sorry, if you guys have any more information between the Yeti and the timber kit, because right now I'm trying to decide on which one I want. So yeah, if you guys have any more tips on that, please let me know. That'd be awesome. But yeah, these are my two babies. Yeah, guys, I might as well show you my truck. Why not? My 2008 F250. For you guys saying that this is a pavement princess, there's dirt on it. She works. Used to tow my 24-foot enclosed with all the toys, but actually I just sold that today. My guy in Sault Ste. Marie picked that up. So yeah, in the market right now for a new trailer. Looking for a snowmobile trailer. Kind of looking at the Trails West trailers, the Chris Brandt model, but that price tag's kind of hard to accept. So yeah, if anyone has actually any other great trailers that are heated and great for snowmobiling, also drop a comment and let me know where I can go for that. But yeah, this is these are my babies. Those two are going to be gone though, so they have to be replaced. So again, drop a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and maybe I can make it happen once these two are gone. But yeah, guys, thanks again. Keep it wide open. Drop a subscribe. Go follow my Instagram at WideOpenNation. And yeah, stay tuned. Rock on.